Here we have a 2004 Trane XP10 unit car wash running. See right here it says Trane. The model number is 2TWB001-2A100AB. Serial number is 4134TJA4F. You can see it's made in 2004. It has a very soapy smell to it due to it being a car wash. But like I said, it's currently running, and there really isn't too much else to say about it. So yeah, a 2004 Trane XP10 heat pump running, because yeah, it's 2TW, so that means it's a heat pump. So yeah, 2004 Trane XP10 heat pump unit running. Over and out.